Hey guys, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another Silhouette Cameo video. Today we're making this super cute little Valentine box. How fun is that? And very easy. Alright, let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Here we are at the computer. I'm already logged into the Silhouette Studio software. Now to get to my designs, I'm going to go to the upper right hand corner and click on where it says Library. This will bring up all of my files. On the left hand side, I created these folders, and I'm going to go to the one I labeled Videos to find the project we're making, which is this one right here. And this is a Valentine treat box by Lori Whitlock. The design ID number is 284970. Now to bring that to our work area, just go ahead and double click on the image and you will see it here. It does come in all grouped together. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, right click and choose Ungroup. Then click on the red piece in the background and just change that color to make it be a white. So I'm going to go to my right hand side panel and click on that paint palette. And then choose a white color there, just so I can see the box better. I'm going to go back and highlight everything and right click on it again and choose a group. Now you will see when it's highlighted, it's 8.5 inches wide by 5 inches tall. I want to cut this out on one sheet of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, so I want to make this be a little bit smaller just by using the arrows. I'm going to go to about 8 inches. Now whenever you're resizing anything, you want to make sure you're resizing all the pieces together so everything will coordinate with each other. I resized it. I'm going to go and right click on it and choose Ungroup and then separate the layers. So we have our box piece up here. Then we have this piece. I did not cut the greeting out, so I'm going to choose Delete on my keyboard to remove that piece. Then we have, these are all the pattern papers, and then this is the white. I'm also going to select the right click on the pattern papers and choose Ungroup. And just put them together this way so I can save on my paper. Highlight all of those, right click on that and choose Group. So I'm going to move this on the lower right hand corner of my mat so I can place my pattern paper there. I'm going to have the box be cut out in red. I also want that red heart to be up there as well, so I can use like a sheet of 6 by 11 piece of cardstock there. I'll put a piece of white on the lower left hand corner. I'm going to go ahead and cut all these pieces out, go to the table, and we'll put the box together. Alright, we're back. Everything is cut out. I'm first going to score on my box to get that started. So you're seeing that inside the Silhouette Studio software, I was able to resize this. So if you want to make this box bigger, you can certainly do that as well. I wanted to make sure this was able to fit onto an 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock. Alright, so all that is done. Now we're going to flip it over and apply our paper. And the paper I'm using is actually part of the Silhouette software. I just printed it out. It's like a digital paper. So I just printed that one out as well. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take my ATG. And I have this linked below. I'm going to take this and put it on the box. Now, of course, it's the paper that makes this be a Valentine's box. If you want to make it be a Christmas box, you can just certainly change up the paper. Because this is so little, that would look really cute done in the Christmas paper and used as an ornament for the tree. All right, 2 more to go, or 3 more to go. You're going to put the other 2 where the handle is. Okay, and then this one's going to go here. I'm going to put some glue on this tab right here. And I'm going to fold that down and then bring this one over. So everything lines up. Open that back up. And now we're going to do the bottom. So we have these 4 flaps. So I'm going to put one of them down. I'm going to grab my glue. I'm using Art Glitter Glue. I also have this link below for you guys as well. So I'm going to put one there and then bring this one over. Put glue on this one. Then bring this one over. On the last one, you want to try to have your glue go edge to edge. All right, I'm going to open that up and just stick my fingers in there. Okay, now we have the top. We're just going to push those down and then bring these two together. And our box is done. Let me grab my yarn. Put that through there. Tie that into a little bow. Fix my loops by pulling the tails a little bit. Okay, and then cut the extra off. Alright, then we have our little hearts. I'm going to just put glue right along the center of that one heart. Put it on the front of our box. And on this one, I'm going to take a foam square. I'm just using one small little one. I think that's fine. Give it a squish, take the backing off, and we're going to pop that right on here. Also, you could put the heart up here and do a little bit of stamping down there to make it personalized, but how cute is that box, right? Super cute. It measures about 2 by 2 and about 1 inch tall, so it's 2 inches wide by about 1 inch tall for the actual treat size, but super cute. I absolutely love it. All right, guys, there you have it, our Silhouette Cameo project for today. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.